Yo, what's good? Kieran Kanye here, back again with another tutorial. Here's what the trick looks like from my perspective first. Okay, a couple things before we get into this tutorial. I'll be using the 1-drop terrarium. And this video is obviously sponsored by yoyo UK. You can pick up any of their yo-yos and use code Kieran5 for 5% off at checkout. Okay, sweet, let's get on into this tutorial. So to start, you're going to go into a basic trapeze, right, like so. I feel like everyone should know how to do that. And then you're going to do sort of a kamikaze whip. Instead of going over your pointer finger, you're going to go over your whole wrist. And instead of going into the back of the yo-yo, you're going to want to go into the front. So this slack should form, and then it should come around and land in the front of the yo-yo like so. Right, hopefully that makes sense. So you've gone whip into the front. Okay, so from here you're going to pinch with your throw hand thumb onto that string that's like just on your index finger like so. And then drop everything off of your non-throw hand. You've whipped into this mount, you've pinched. And now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to hit this string that's coming off of your middle finger, right? So you should notice there's 2 strings, one of which is on your middle finger, and you're going to want to undercut that. Next, you're going to pull this front string through that loop, and you should notice a tower has formed. Then you can drop that tower. That's really like the first part of the trick. If you just want to learn the tower, that's how it works. If you want to learn this last green triangle bit, stick around. Tower, from here, you're going to, first of all, you're going to want to like put it more on your fingers, and then you're going to throw like this string around and underneath the yo-yo like so. So it should be at the back. It's gone from being over top to being at the back. Okay. So from here, you're going to pinch, right, and then you're going to throw this loop over, and you're trying to land on these 2 strings, and it should put you onto the front string like so. Okay, sweet. And then you're going to drop everything off of your non-throw hand, but you're going to try and land the finger so it stays within this string. And you should notice that there's like a kink at the bottom, and then this string coming off your wrist. So you're going to drop that string off the front of the yo-yo, and then you're going to make a little semicircle to form that green triangle. That's sort of the trick. I'll go over it one more time for you. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments, or you can message me on Kieran Can't Yo-Yo and tag me when you're done with this trick. But one more time. So you're going kamikaze, but like round your wrist, pinch, landing on that string, dropping it into a tower, throw over, undercut, drop. So semicircle, green triangle. I'll add some like slow-mos for you, but if you just wanted the trick, there you go. And yeah, that's it. Bye.
You found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were